for the most part, I feel like I've given pretty good context. And
No, no. Like, if you feel like there's some details or that might fill in some gaps or add some color, like, yeah, continue. Like, uh, I'm focused on this with you.
yeah, yeah, I'll go over it then. So yeah, I just made a list of like why did I want to build it, and since I'm at the stopping point at the moment, since I got like a basic MVP working, um, and the first one is what I already said, to send hugs virtually, and then I said in parentheses to send all kinds of symbols. Um, Second thing, and this is like very specific to me, to just show people that I'm thinking about them, without needing to actually hang
Mm,
out with them for like hours. Uh, it's maybe this one for me is just because sometimes it's hard for me to reach out to people, for various reasons. So if I could just like send them a quick whatever the symbol is to let them know I'm kind of like thinking about them, that would be awesome. And there's like so many people I like, if I could just do that, like if that was already a popular technology, like I would already be doing that. I'd be like, okay, I'm gonna send this to this list of people, um, to let them know I'm thinking about them. And yeah, I would love that. And the third point of why I want to build this is like I just want to know everything. That's why there's the define symbol part. Um, I'm curious. I love to learn, and the way that I've always learned throughout my entire life, for the most part. I mean, I'm a self learner, but whenever I get to like a place where I can't learn on my own anymore. It's always through people. I always get
hmm
the good stuff from other people. So
Yeah, absolutely.
that's why I feel like comparing mind maps and like, yeah, I feel like that's crucial thing in the future. Um,
I wanted to share one other thing that came up when you were like about like sending virtual hugs. Like, so my girlfriend has, is also recently divorced and has two kids, and she bought this thing off Amazon, which is like a box. It's like a physical box. I guess it's also connected to an app. Like, I guess you can like touch the box or like click the app, and like it'll send a like a some kind of like a sweet image. So there's like kind of a so there's a tech or product that's kind of similar. Uh, and I was trying to look it up, but I couldn't find it. And it's like kind of expensive, and all that's to say like um, so there's a market for this. That's good.
Interesting. Yeah, I would love to know what that is. Um,
I will find it.
yeah, it looks like the fourth thing I had here on the list is pretty much the same thing I just said. Um, yeah, I want to be able to compare mind maps. Then the next thing I had here is that I want to be able to create a bridge, and I kind of said this earlier, but I want to create a bridge that helps like humans communicate better. Yeah, we already discussed that. And
Well,
then
no, no, no. Actually, elaborate on that a bit.
yeah, basically what I said earlier, where it's like, people are conversating and they're saying words, but the words are interpreted differently by each person. So one word may mean something
Right.
completely different to one person than the other. So if like you compare each other's concepts, then that would help make humans communicate better. It's kind of my
Cool,
thought
cool, cool. Yeah, yeah.
process.
All right, we did touch on that. Thank you for bringing that back. All right.
And then kind of in the same boat, this one's uh yeah, basically I'd also like to kind of create a bridge so that humans and AI can communicate better. Um, I guess this is assuming that there will be digital consciousness or digital agents where you need to communicate like that. So that's just another point on there. And then the last thing that I said for why I want to build this is that the project's just fun. And then I wrote in parentheses until it's not. And I said maybe the better thing to say is that the story of this project is fun to me.